Hi everyone, welcome back to your Spanish lesson. Today we're going to learn a very useful phrase, vamos a. It means let's do something in English.
Vamos comes from the verb ir, which means to go. And a simply means to. But when we say vamos a followed by a verb, it means we're suggesting to do something together. Like this. Vamos a comer. It means let's eat. Vamos a estudiar. It means let's study. Vamos a bailar. It means let's dance. Easy, right?
Now repeat after me.
Vamos a comer. Vamos a comer. Vamos a comer. Vamos a estudiar. Vamos a estudiar. Vamos a estudiar. Vamos a bailar. Vamos a bailar. Vamos a bailar.
Great job. Now you know how.
Vamos a
Means let's do something in Spanish. Now let's practice together.
Vamos a practicar.
I'll say the English part, you try the Spanish. Let's sing. Do you know how to say to sing in Spanish? It's
Cantar.
so. How do we say let's sing?
Vamos a cantar.
Okay. Next, let's run. How do you say to run in Spanish? It's correr. So, let's run in Spanish is
Vamos a correr.
perfect. You learned a few more new verbs and how to use them with
Vamos a.
keep practicing.
Vamos a.
Is one of the most useful phrases in Spanish. It's perfect when you want to suggest an activity, like saying, let's do something. It's friendly, natural, and easy to use. Repetition is the key to learning. So go ahead, replay the video and practice as many times as you need. Confidence comes with every try. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more fun Spanish practice. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.